You can also use the hold transaction during point of sale with up to 3 transactions to hold. While waiting to the customer to settle his purchase with no distracting transaction procedure, press Ctrl 1 to hold transaction number 1. Press Ctrl 2 to hold transaction number 2. Press Ctrl 3 to hold transaction number 3. To go back to hold transaction, just press Ctrl plus the number. Example, Ctrl 1 to go back to hold transaction number 1. Then proceed with the transaction. Click the Exit button or press X for payment entry.